Hello everyone, my name is Dave. I'm from Kitiwment Studios. I'm a Photoshop and Premiere Pro user. I'm also a movie director. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's begin. Hello and welcome to another tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur background. I have divided this tutorial into 3 different types. First, we will crop the image. Second, we'll blur the background and also do some color correction. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is our image and we are going to select the subject in the image. So you can do this by either the pen tool, the quick selection tool, or you can even go to select subject. This is for those who are using the latest version of Photoshop. So you can click on select and max. After this window is open, you can click on select subject. And now you have your subject selected. This artificial intelligence is very powerful. It has really selected the subject with only few errors. So with this one you can correct it. Make sure you pick the lasso tool. So with the lasso tool, you can use it to correct it. So with this one, just inside. When it moves inside, you can hold the Alt to bring it back. When it goes overboard, you just hold the Alt and then you trim it nicely. So keep doing it. So I think it's okay for now. Everything is so perfect. We are left with this place. Just hold the Alt to take this one off. Just take this one off. Now we have a perfect selection. So the next thing we are going to do is to click on the output tool. Make sure you select layer mask and also let's feather it a little bit. Bring the feather to 3 pixels. It's okay. Let's smoothen the edge. Let's say 2 is okay. So now press OK. Now you have the background removed. So the next thing you are going to do is to duplicate this layer. You can duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J. And now click on this layer, this black layer, the layer 0. On this black and white layer, right click, go to delete mask. So now click on your layer 0 copy. And this is what we are going to do. we want to reload the selection of the subject. So press Ctrl and click on this thumbnail, the layer 0 copy thumbnail. Click on the black and white. So now you have your selection back. I want to skip this process. We'll come back later. I just want to show you something. Assuming I go to blur, tilt shift, and blur this image. You notice something. There is a ghost shadow around the image. If you notice, that is because I didn't use content aware. So let's get back to the steps. So now hold out and click on this icon, the layer 1 the layer 0 copy, the black and white thumbnail. Click on it, and now you have your layer selected. So now what I want you to do is to go to select, go to modified, and click on expand. With the expansion, select 10 pixels, and now you have your selection expand. So now you can disable the eye, and now go to edit, fill, and now make sure you select the content aware here, and now click on OK. The Photoshop has an artificial intelligence that can do it automatically for you. So you just wait for it to analyze the subject and take it off. So now your subject is no longer there. It has done a perfect job. So the next thing I want you to do is to enable the eye here, for the subject on layer 0 copy should appear. So our next stage is to go to filter, blur gallery, and choose tilt shift. And now with the tilt shift, we have this bar here. When you drag it, the use of this tilt shift is just like how when you take a photoshoot blur image, that's how photoshoot blur image looks like. So from the ground is a little sharper. When it gets to the top, then it becomes blurrer. Let's move the points here. Make sure to drag all of this. Move this one up a little bit. To create a smooth transition, we can increase our blur here. Move it down a little bit. A little bit, and very nice blurry background. Okay, so you can also check the symmetric distortion. So you can distort it here to give that shaky background, or you can move it to this area. Okay, so now we are done. So let's click on the OK. So now you have your background change blurred. So the next thing I want you to do is to hold Ctrl on your keyboard and click on layer 0 and layer 0 copy. Press Ctrl E to merge everything. Now the next thing we are going to do is to add some color grading. So let's click on filter, camera raw filter. So let's come to the basics. Let's increase the contrast a little bit. The shadows, let's brighten it a little bit. Let's increase the clarity to about 8. Vibrance, let's give it vibrance about 25. Saturation to, let's say, 8. So our next thing is the color mixer. Let's increase the orange to 5. The green, make sure you click on the saturation. So the green, let's increase it to, let's say, 44. And the yellows, 23 is okay. So let's click on color grading, and the midtones, let's move it up a little bit. Okay, let's stop adding it. I think everything is okay. So now we can click on OK, and now this is what we have finally. So thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Please like, comment and share this video. See you in my next video.